everyone, welcome back to my channel Neeru Style Corner. Today we are going to see a natural suntan and anti-aging face mask. Not only this, but it has many other benefits. So let's get into the video. First, in a bowl we will add Red Sandalwood Powder, 1 teaspoon. Let me tell you the benefits of this powder. This Red Sandalwood Powder is very effective on pimples and acne scars. Also helps in evening out the uneven suntan problem. Like sandalwood powder, this also has soothing agent in it. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of this red sandalwood powder to the bowl. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of tomato juice. I have grated the tomato and using the juice of it. This also helps in lightening the blemishes and gives an even and flawless skin. Next, add 1 tablespoon of lemon to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of curd to the bowl. Curd nourishes your skin and makes it softer as it is rich in lactic acid. Then add half spoon of honey and mix it well and apply this mask and let it dry for about 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. This mask helps in effectively removing pigmentation and also helps in clearing pimples. This face mask has soothing ingredients and helps from preventing acne and gives a cooling effect to your face. As mentioned earlier, it also acts as an anti-aging agent. Apply this mask on clean face. So first wash your face and apply this mask, and use it twice in a week for visible results. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.